Let's look at OpenStax College Physics, Chapter 22, Problem 32. What is the direction of a current that experiences the magnetic force shown in each of the three cases in the figure, assuming the current runs perpendicular to the magnetic field? All right, let's look at the first scenario. So we have a force that is going straight up and a magnetic field that comes out of the page. And we know that the magnitude of the magnetic force is the current times the length of the current times the magnetic field times sine of the angle between the magnetic field and the direction of the current, or the direction of the displacement of the charges. So we have to use the right hand rule, where we first place our hand in the direction of the current, then we bend our fingers in the direction of the magnetic field, and our thumb will be the force. However, in this video, things are a little bit backwards because we are given the direction of the force. That's not what we're trying to find. So we know the direction of the force and we know the direction of the magnetic field, and we are looking for the direction of the current. So we'll start out backwards with the thumb first, the bent fingers, and then only the straight hand for the direction of the current. So let's look at this little video. So here we have the force is going straight up, and that's the thumb, so we have to line up our thumb with that. The magnetic field is the bent fingers, so the bent fingers are coming out towards us, and then the force still is up. We straighten our hands for the direction of the current. So that means that the force is up, the current is to the right, bending the fingers gives us the magnetic field, so a straight hand will have a current going in this direction, and this is the solution to the first problem. Now, in the second scenario, we have the force going straight up. The magnetic field is now to the right. So we have to place our bent fingers to the right. So let's look at the video. So force is straight up. The right thumb has to go up. Magnetic field is bent fingers, and they have to go to the right in that direction. So when we straighten out the hand, the current is going to come out towards us, so that when we bend the fingers, our force will be in the direction of the thumb. So the current then is out towards us. In the last part, we now have a force going to the left, so we have to place our thumb in that direction, and the magnetic field is going into the board. So the force is going to the left, and that's the thumb. We place the thumb going to the left. Then the bent fingers have to go in the direction of the magnetic field, so they're going into the board. And then when we straighten out the fingers, that will be the direction of the current. So this is a direction of the current. So then when we bend the fingers, they go in the direction of the magnetic field, which is into this board, and the thumb goes to the left in the direction of the force. I would like to thank my son again for drawing these boards and filming the little videos, and also my husband for taking out the sound from the little videos.